News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Ramya and with me is Abhishek.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in the Department of Biotechnology, National Pension System Trust, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, Shri Vishwakarma Skill University, Guru Shri Gorakhnath Institute of Medical Sciences, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, Goa Shipyard Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. The Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology requires the service of suitable officers for filling up 4 posts of Scientist H on direct recruitment basis. The Department of Biotechnology's website www.dbtindia.nic.in may be seen for details about duties attached to the post, educational qualifications and experience, age limit and general conditions. Applications pro forma can also be downloaded from the website. The application may be sent to the concerned person within 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. The applicants residing abroad and from Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, states in the northeastern region, Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Subdivision Chamba and Lahore Spiti districts of Himachal Pradesh are eligible for an additional period of 7 days for receipt of applications.
National Pension System Trust is established by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA as per the provisions of the Indian Trusts Act of 1882 for taking care of the assets and funds under the National Pension Scheme NPS and other schemes as authorized by PFRDA in the best interest of the subscribers. NPS Trust invites applications from eligible Indian citizens for filling up 2 posts of General Manager and 4 posts of Deputy General Manager in General Stream on direct recruitment. The detailed advertisement containing the other details regarding eligibility criteria, mode of selection, submission of application, payment of fees and other instructions including the terms and conditions for appointment to the posts are available on the website of NPS Trust at www.npstrust.org.in and also on the website of National Career Service at www.ncs.gov.in.
National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, a joint venture of Government of India and participating state governments, requires experienced labour welfare inspectors for 2 posts on direct recruitment basis for its RRTS project in NCR. Last date of receipt of application will be 15 days from the date of issue of vacancy notice or as mentioned in the detailed vacancy notice on NCRTC website, that is www.ncrtc.in. For more details about experience, eligibility criteria, application form, information regarding addition or deletion and corrigendum etc., kindly visit the career section of the NCRTC website.
Shri Vishwakarma Skill University invites online applications from eligible applicants for appointment of various non-academic posts on regular basis up to 21st of December 2020 up to 12 am midnight. 2 posts of Skill Instructor Mechanical, 2 posts of Skill Instructor Tool and Die, 1 post of Skill Instructor Electronics, 1 post of Skill Instructor Electrical, 1 post of Skill Instructor Civil, 1 post of Skill Instructor EVS, 1 post of Skill Instructor Hospitality, 1 post of Skill Instructor Retail, 1 post of Skill Instructor Soft Skill, 2 posts of Skill Instructor CSE or IT, 1 post of Skill Instructor Wellness Management, 1 post of Skill Instructor Physics, 1 post of Skill Instructor GIS, 1 post of Skill Instructor MLT, 1 post of Skill Instructor Music, 1 post of Skill Instructor Agriculture, 1 post of Foreman Mechanical, 1 post of Foreman Electronics, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor Communication Skills, 2 posts of Senior Skill Instructor Mechanical, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor Hospitality, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor CSE or IT, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor Electronics, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor Psychology, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor Sports, 1 post of Senior Skill Instructor MLT, 1 post of Master Skill Instructor Mechanical, 1 post of Master Skill Instructor Mechatronics, 1 post of Master Skill Instructor Communication Skills. For detail of posts along with prescribed qualifications, eligibility criteria and selection criteria. Please visit the university website www.svsu.ac.in. Applicants willing to apply are advised to apply online through the link available on the university website between the opening date 13th of November 2020 and the closing date 21st of December 2020 by 12 a.m. midnight. The filled application form should be sent to the concerned person by 30th of December 2020.
Guru Shri Gorakhnath Institute of Medical Sciences Ayurvedic College invites application from eligible candidates for the following posts. 1 post of Principal or Superintendent Clinical, 1 post of Consultant Kaya Chikitsa, 1 post of Consultant Panchkarma, 1 post of Consultant Shalya Tantra, 1 post of Consultant Shalakya Tantra, 1 post of Consultant Prasuti and Stri Rog, 1 post of Consultant Kaumar Bhriya, 1 post of Consultant Swasth Vrit Evam Yog, 4 posts of Panchkarma Assistant or Technician, and 2 posts of Ayurveda Pharmacist. Interested candidates shall apply immediately with all testimonials to ggims2021@gmail.com.
Center for Development of Advanced Computing is a premier research and development organization of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, carrying out research and development in IT, electronics, and associated areas. It invites applications for various technical posts, middle to senior level, on contract and on consolidated salary. The details regarding the post and how to apply are available on the website www.cdac.in. Interested candidates may visit careers page of www.cdac.in for detailed notification and apply online on or before 8th of December 2020.
Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying proposes to fill up 1 post of Office Superintendent in Cochin on deputation, including short-term contract from amongst the officers under the central government or state governments or union territory administrations, universities, recognized research institutions, councils or public sector undertakings or semi-government or statutory or autonomous organizations. Applications from eligible officers may be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned person within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News.
Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, a statutory body of the Government of India, invites applications for filling up 4 posts of Chief General Manager or General Manager on deputation basis. The detailed vacancy may be seen at www.ibbi.gov.in. Goa Shipyard Limited invites applications from fresh pass-out candidates for undergoing apprenticeship training under the Apprentices Act 1961 and Apprenticeship Amendment Rules 2019. For detailed advertisement such as general conditions for applying, qualification, etc., please visit the career page of the company website www.goashipyard.in. Interested candidates can apply online from 20th of November 2020 till 11th of December 2020 by visiting the career page of the company website. In the event of finding any difficulty in applying online, please contact through email at atcgs100@gmail.com.
Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Marketing Division, as a measure of skill building initiative for the nation, invites application for engagement of 493 trade apprentices for the year 2020-21 Phase 1 under multiple trade at its location in southern states of India. Full text of the advertisement, including details of stipend, relaxation, concessions, reservation, etc., is available in the corporate website www.iocl.com. Interested candidates meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria may apply through the website. Opening date of portal for receipt of application is 27th of November 2020 from 10 a.m. and closing date for receipt of online application is 12th of December 2020 at 5 p.m. Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject. Namaskar.